Apple's rumored foldable iPhone is generating excitement with a new leak suggesting it could feature a cutting-edge liquid metal hinge. This material, known as metallic glass or amorphous metal, could significantly enhance durability while reducing screen creases. According to the latest report from Chinese leaker Instant Digital, Apple plans to use this advanced material for the iPhone Fold's hinge, potentially setting a new standard for foldable device design. Metallic glass stands out from traditional metals because it lacks a crystalline atomic structure. Instead of a rigid, organized pattern, its atoms are arranged in a disordered way, making it far more resistant to bending, denting, and deformation. This unique structure is created through rapid cooling processes, which result in material roughly 2.5 times harder than titanium alloys. Additionally, its smooth, glossy surface closely resembles high-end stainless steel, allowing it to fit seamlessly into Apple's premium design language. Durability is a major concern for foldable phones as constant folding and unfolding puts stress on the hinge. Apple's choice of metallic glass could help solve this issue by making the hinge more resistant to long-term wear. The material's high resistance to corrosion also ensures that it remains reliable over time, preventing the common issues seen in other foldable devices such as hinge degradation and screen creasing. If Apple can execute this properly, it could result in one of the most durable foldable devices ever made. While Apple has not confirmed any details, previous leaks have provided a clearer picture of what to expect from the iPhone Fold. The device is rumored to have a 7.8-inch main display when fully unfolded and a 5.5-inch external cover screen, making it similar in size to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold lineup. It is expected to follow a book-style design featuring two rear cameras, a single front-facing camera, and Touch ID integrated into the power button. Another key highlight is its ultra-thin build, only 4.5mm thick when open and around 9mm when closed. However, these high-end features may come with a premium price tag, with estimates suggesting it could launch at around $2,000. Apple's foldable iPhone is expected to face competition from established brands in the foldable space, particularly Samsung, which has been refining its Galaxy Z series for years. While Samsung's devices have improved significantly, they still face durability concerns, particularly with hinge longevity and screen creases. Apple's approach could set a new benchmark for the category if the metallic glass hinge performs as expected. Beyond durability, Apple's expertise in software and hardware integration could also give the iPhone Fold an edge. iOS is known for its smooth user experience, and Apple's ability to optimize apps for the foldable form factor could make it more appealing than Android-based foldables. Features like improved multitasking, seamless transitions between the external and internal screens, and exclusive software enhancements could differentiate Apple's device in a growing market. With the foldable smartphone market still evolving, Apple's entry could accelerate mainstream adoption. Many consumers remain hesitant about foldable phones due to durability concerns, but if Apple delivers a device that addresses these weaknesses, it could make foldables more appealing to a wider audience. Google is preparing for a major shift with the Pixel 10 series, aiming to make it a breakthrough in its smartphone lineup. Before the Pixel, Google partnered with manufacturers like HTC, LG, and Samsung to produce Nexus devices, handling software while its partners built the hardware. In 2016, Google introduced the Pixel series, taking full control over both hardware and software. Over the years, the company has brought features like 3D Face Unlock on the Pixel 4, AI-powered Magic Eraser on the Pixel 6, and a periscope zoom lens on the Pro models. Now with the Pixel 10, Google is making one of its most significant changes yet. The Pixel 10 series will be powered by the Tensor G5 processor, which is the first chip entirely designed by Google. Unlike previous Tensor chips, which were based on Samsung's Exynos architecture with minor modifications, the Tensor G5 is built from the ground up using Google's own ARM-based design. This also means a shift from Samsung Foundry to TSMC, which will manufacture the chip using a 3nm process. This could result in better efficiency and performance, making the Pixel 10 series faster and more power efficient than its predecessors. One challenge Google faces with this transition is the loss of Samsung's image signal processor, which processes photos taken with the phone's camera. To address this, Google is developing its own ISP for the Tensor G5. With better integration between Google's custom CPU, GPU, and AI capabilities, this new ISP could lead to better image processing, improving photography performance in various lighting conditions. This move also allows Google to fine-tune its camera software and hardware for even more advanced computational photography. Beyond hardware changes, the Pixel 10 series will see significant software optimizations. Notes from a Google engineer within the Android open source project reveal that the Pixel 10 will have 30% faster boot times, while the Pixel Fold's loading time will be reduced by 25%. The mention of the Pixel Fold suggests that Google might release a Pixel 10 Pro Fold alongside the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro. With these optimizations, users can expect a smoother experience, faster performance, and improved multitasking. Google is expected to preview the Pixel 10 lineup in May during the I/O 2025 Developers Conference. This event will give the first official look at the new features and improvements Google has planned. Apple's WWDC 2025 is set for June, so Google is likely to make its announcements soon. A key question is whether Google can use the Tensor G5 to introduce exclusive AI-powered features that set the Pixel 10 apart from both other Android devices and previous Pixel models. AI has played a huge role in Google's smartphones, and the Pixel 10 will likely push the boundaries even further with features designed to improve user experience, battery efficiency, and camera performance. The shift to a fully in-house chip design marks a new era for Google's smartphones. If the Tensor G5 delivers better efficiency, improved AI capabilities, and enhanced camera performance, the Pixel 10 could be one of the most competitive Android devices yet. The upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 are generating a lot of buzz as Samsung prepares to launch its next-generation foldable phones. With rumors and leaks surfacing for months, excitement is building over what changes these devices will bring. Now leaked third-party accessories have added more weight to some of the previously reported design updates, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect. Samsung is expected to unveil both foldables in the second half of the year, possibly alongside a more affordable variant of the Z Flip series. While the company has not officially confirmed details, these new leaks strongly indicate what's coming. One of the biggest design shifts for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 appears to be a significantly larger cover display. A newly leaked protective case provides further confirmation of this change. The dimensions of the case suggest that the external screen will expand to around 4.05 inches, making it far more functional than previous models. Earlier renders had already hinted at this possibility, and now this leak makes it seem even more likely. The new design would bring Samsung's clamshell foldable closer to Motorola's Razr, which features a similar full-screen experience on the outside. A larger cover screen could be a major selling point, allowing users to perform more tasks without unfolding the device. It could also improve the user experience by offering better multitasking capabilities, easier access to notifications, and enhanced widgets. Another leak showcases a screen protector meant for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The noticeable difference in size suggests that Samsung may be making the cover display taller and wider compared to its predecessor. Previous leaks have pointed to similar changes which would make the device more usable when folded shut. Many users rely on the outer display for quick interactions, and increasing its size could make it more convenient for messaging, browsing, and other everyday tasks. Samsung appears to be refining its foldable designs based on user feedback, focusing on improving usability without sacrificing durability. These leaks indicate that Samsung has likely finalized the design and specifications for both models. With the launch expected in just a few months, mass production should begin soon. As production ramps up, more leaks are bound to emerge, potentially revealing additional details about battery life, cameras, and software improvements. The larger cover display on the Z Flip 7 and the refined design of the Z Fold 7 suggest that Samsung is aiming to enhance the overall experience rather than making drastic changes. Pricing and availability details remain unclear, but Samsung has typically launched its foldable devices in August. If the pattern holds, pre-orders could open shortly after the official announcement. The question remains whether the company will introduce any major surprises such as new color options or exclusive features. Many consumers are also curious to see if Samsung will improve battery efficiency to complement the larger displays. These leaks provide an exciting glimpse into what's next for Samsung's foldable lineup, setting the stage for one of the most anticipated smartphone launches of the year. Let me know what you think about these leaks in the comments. Are you excited about the new Samsung foldables? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.